welcome to my channel. In this video, I will tell you an interesting concept of depositing purchased bottles and earning some money from them. Here I have some plastic bottles and cans with me from different companies. As you can see, it's written Pfand 0.25 euros. This Pfand P is silent here, and this 0.25 cents means you will get this much amount per bottle here. And on this can also you can see, even in this can you can get. And in Germany it's called Pfand, but maybe in different countries it is spelled differently. And you can get money from glass bottles also. Now I will take you to the machine to show how the process works. Okay, so now I am heading towards the supermarket. You will get the machine in many big supermarkets like this Kaufland, Aldi, Lidl and Rewe. So let's go. I have taken all the bottles with me. This is the machine where you can drop you can choose language here. And now this is the last bottle which I left. Just drop it here and then we'll do payout. Then we'll get this receipt. And with this receipt, maybe you can take cash from the counter, or you can shop anything and you can scan this code to get your value back.